Hello everyone, this is Module 3 by me, Margo Rothstein. The close-up shot, which is what we're talking about, the framing is showing the subject's head with less environmental background than a wide or medium shot. Composition is affected by aspect ratio, headroom, look room, and where the head is placed. Problems is that it can sacrifice environmental context. If you have two characters, is there an intimate enough bond between them to use a close-up shot? And it may exchange some composition for emotion because there might be some blurriness in the background in terms of the quality. This is used to reveal intimate and detailed emotion of the subject that the viewer can more easily identify and connect with. We'll be looking at a scene from The Only Living Boy in New York by Mark Webb.
Only they had a little problem.
He's infertile. They asked their talented friend for help.
They have a knack for storytelling.
I get it from my father.
The director uses specifically what is called an over-the-shoulder close-up shot, where the viewer is looking over the shoulder of one character to view another. This expresses the nature of the intimate and climactic energy between these two characters. And this affects the scene because it allows us time to soak in details of facial expressions and emotional responses, and this does have the desired effect because it strengthens the closeness between their bond, which is what a close-up between two subjects is meant to do. And here we have two screenshots. One is an upward angle on the father, one is a downward angle on the son. The upward angle on the father really elevates him, shows him more respect and appreciation in this scene, and the downward angle on the son means that the son is not taking away from all of the respect and attention that we are giving the father in this scene.